I'm going to describe the interactive simulation on the left that looks at a piston and cylinder in which we start with a mixture of benzene and ethanol. The mole fraction is given here for the liquid phase, the number of moles, and then the number of moles in the gas phase, the vapor phase, and its mole fraction is given. And then we can change the number of moles that we add, and when we select the play button, then these 10 moles of benzene are going to be injected, and we're given that the saturation pressure of benzene is greater than ethanol at this condition, and we're also told that this has an azeotrope, and then we want to get an idea of what the final system is going to consist of: more vapor, less vapor. We have the option of selecting the PXY diagram, and the PXY diagram then helps us understand behavior. If we start here and we add some benzene, we're going to move to the right, and depending on how far we move, we can be in the all vapor region, or we can be in the region over further to the right, where now the vapor phase is enriched in ethanol instead of benzene. And we can add either benzene to the system or ethanol. And so now let's go and look at the simulation. So here's the interactive simulation where we're going to add benzene to a mixture of ethanol and benzene. And we have a liquid and a vapor present. And when we hit play, we're going to let it go to equilibrium. So initially, we notice that the mole fraction of benzene is higher in the vapor phase and the liquid phase. The vapor is enriched in benzene. And then we play. Well, now we have less liquid present, but notice the liquid is actually a higher mole fraction than the vapor for benzene. So now the liquid is enriched in benzene, and we can look at the PXY diagram and hit reset here and understand what happens. We started at this point where mostly liquid's present and the vapor is enriched in benzene, and I've added enough benzene that we're in this part of the diagram where now the liquid is enriched in benzene and we have mostly vapor present for this particular condition. And so we can instead add ethanol, and we can use the PXY diagram to help us understand the behavior we would observe at constant pressure and constant temperature in this piston and cylinder.